Hi, I'm Daniel J. Lewis from the Audacity to Podcast.com. That's my weekly podcast and blog about how to podcast and how to use Audacity. As I like to say, it's where I give you the guts and teach you the tools to podcast with passion, organization, and dialogue. I am very happy to be working with the TechPodcasts Network to cover CES 2013. The Consumer Electronics Show will have so many awesome gadgets, awesome technologies from big companies to the little guys who are just starting out and really struggling to try to promote their stuff. We will be there at CES in Las Vegas in January 2013 to cover all kinds of information coming from CES. Gadgets, gizmos, software, tools, all of this stuff. It will be awesome. I will be there with the Tech Podcast Network and covering things from a podcasting perspective, as well as home media production, and here and there some occasional gadgets as well. So it will be an awesome time, and I highly recommend that you check out everything we'll be doing. All the coverage we'll be posting over at tpn.tv. You'll be able to watch live streaming coverage just as if you're there. You'll be able to also watch our videos as we go out on the floor, talk with these different companies, review their products, handle their products, try their stuff, ask them questions. It will be like you're there at the conference experiencing these things too. So I'm proud to be a part of the Tech Podcast Network and covering CES with them. Please make sure that you check out tpn.tv to see all of our coverage that we'll be sharing from the floor of the Consumer Electronics Show in January 2013. You can also check out my website over at theaudacitytopodcast.com, where I share podcasting tips, podcasting tutorials, and I will also be posting my special reviews and interviews that I have from CES that I think will be best for my audience of podcasters and bloggers who want to get into podcasting and just produce home media. So check out everything I do over at theaudacitytopodcast.com and watch for our coverage of CES at tpn.tv. I'm Daniel J. Lewis, and you can follow me on Twitter while I'm in Las Vegas as twitter.com/theramennoodle, and check out my site at theaudacitytopodcast.com. And be sure to watch tpn.tv as we'll have our live and exhaustive coverage of the Consumer Electronics Show 2013.